Hello viewers and subscribers. So what I have with me is this Makeblock for Radioshack robot kit. And so this is a vehicle you have to put together before you get to operate it. And with the assembly and all that stuff, you have the choice of assembling it as a tank platform or a three-wheel car, and I elected to do the tank platform. And I did receive this as a late birthday gift for one of my relatives just about 4 years ago or so, and so far it's been pretty fun to play with, and I've played with it a lot so far. And here we go for the run of it. This vehicle's infrared, so it cannot be outdoor operated at all. This up arrow makes it go forward. This down arrow makes it go reverse. And for the steering, you have to press this D button to the point where it will basically just auto drive on its own or something. Kind of like an autopilot of this vehicle. So as far as the auto drive of this vehicle, the right arrow makes it turn to the left, and the left arrow makes it turn to the right. Whenever it's about to get to an obstacle, it just stops because it has some kind of sensor to sense that there's an obstacle in the way.